If your photos look boring, it's not your camera, it's how you're using it. And this is something I see all the time. Hi, I'm Farid Kalor. I'm a professional photographer and I'm working in this field for more than 10 years. In this channel, I'm not here to teach complicated theory or fancy gear. I want to help you take better photos with simple ideas that actually work. So let's talk about why most photos look average. Point 1. Light. The biggest reason why photos fail is bad lighting. Like this, or like this. No. Or this one. Which one do you think was better? Most people think lighting is just brightness, so they add more light. And we're going to see something like this. What a mess, right? And most people, they think that they should have something like this. Too much light, too many angles, and already my face is looking flat. But more light doesn't mean automatically better photos. And this is why. Your camera doesn't see the world like you. It reacts to contrast, direction, and shadows. When light comes from everywhere, your photo becomes flat. So it means that flat light creates flat photos. And what does it mean, flat photos? I will show you. Now, this is a flat picture of me. Because when you're looking at me, you think that there's no depth. Now there's one light behind me, so I'm in the second layer. On my left side, there's a rim light. So it also gives depth to the picture, to my face or my body. And on this side, I have a 45 angled key light. And on this side, I have a dimmer light for my fill light. So it makes my image more three-dimensional. Now let's fix it. You need one clear direction. Even window light works perfectly when it comes from the side. You know what you should do? You should fix the light before blaming the camera. A quick question for you. What's harder for you right now? Lighting or composition? Drop it in the comments. Let's get to the second point, composition. The second issue is composition. Most people place their subject in the center of the frame, not because it looks better, because it looks safe. Centering everything in photography removes the tension, and photography needs a little tension to feel interesting. When the photo is too predictable, your eye gets bored. For example, when I'm here and I'm looking at somewhere, it means that there is something on the side of the frame which I'm looking at. So it gives a meaning to the frame. It means that there is something, there's a subject that has drawn my attention, so I'm looking at it. And now that I'm in the center of the frame and I'm looking at somewhere, it may look correct, but it's not balanced. That is the issue. So it means that instead of centering everything, we need to create space. Let the frame breathe. Use simple ideas like leading lines or negative space. Pay attention that you don't need complicated rules. You just need intention. Now point 3, settings. The third mistake is camera settings. Many photographers touch all the settings without knowing what they're doing. They keep changing everything and they hope that the camera can magically fix everything. But you should pay attention that settings don't create good photos. They only support decisions, your decisions. And if there's no clear decision, settings won't help. And now let's see how to fix it. Instead of changing everything, control one setting at a time. Learn what it does. For example, when you're changing your shutter speed, take a look. Or when you're changing your aperture, see what is happening in there. Or when you're changing your ISO, see what is changing in your image. Choose one setting at a time, and then you realize how these options are changing your images. Settings matter, but decision matters more. So if your photos look average, don't panic. It's usually not about talent. It's about light, composition, and decisions. If you start fixing these 3 things, Your photos will improve instantly. Subscribe if you want photography explained simply, without boring theory. I'll see you in the next video.